Yeah, I watched the whole show, Joseph. There were a lot of moments.
A lot of moments, yeah.
The Will Smith thing, though, that kind of changed the whole vibe. I don't think it was necessary for him to do that. But
I had the same reaction as Chris. Just, oh, wow, just, oh, wow.
Yeah, yeah. And then he got up there and talked about being a vessel of love, and
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, okay. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's lots of opinions, but
Lot to it.
yes, yeah. Anyway, it was a nice night to be sipping a rosé last night, watching that, and today seems pretty mild too.
Yeah, today's not bad. I mean, we do have the clouds, maybe some showers. Yesterday we had our own kind of oh wow moment where we topped off at 70 degrees for our first time this year in Portland. So yesterday was really nice. Overnight temperatures have been really pleasant too. Well, today we will cool down a little bit. Heading into the afternoon, temperatures only probably topping off in the lower 60s with some clouds and possibly some showers in and out of the forecast today. So you may need the rain jacket. I'll show you the radar in just one second. McMinnville over towards Portland, the Dalles and Seaside. Seaside is fairly wet right now. That's where we're seeing most of the action coming across areas of the northwest Oregon coast. Area of low pressure down to the southwest here, bringing in some very heavy rain for the California coast there. Southern California points through the Bay Area. We're picking up some of that moisture here. Also some colder air aloft, which is leading to some thunderstorm development through the Cascades and areas of central and eastern Oregon. You see the lightning right here in areas of Jefferson County. There's the rain that's coming off the northwest Oregon coast, and then just very spotty action going on for us here in the Willamette Valley. I'll jump on in. You can see that rain coming through areas of the Clackamas Hills, Estacada, Malala area, and then it's streaming up towards the northeast towards Sandy, so fairly wet. Right around Portland, though, at this time in Gresham, we're pretty dry. A lot of the shower activity today is probably going to develop to the south of us and to the east, although we do have that stream up towards the northwest Oregon coast. Okay, I do want to zoom on in. This is just west of Warm Springs. We do have a cell here that's producing plenty of lightning, so US 26 right there. If you're continuing through Governor Camp, extending down towards Warm Springs, eventually taking you over towards Madras there. That's where that storm development is at this hour. Now, not a lot of population there, but if you are in that region, you may want to be indoors for a little bit as that storm does pass to the north. You can see the thunderstorm potential today is mainly east of the Cascades, and that's where we're seeing that development at this time right now. Futurecast for the rest of the day today, you can see that we have some spotty showers and some scattered rain here in the valley. That's right around 5:30. Again, most of this is going to occur south of Vancouver and Portland, but we will probably see at least 1 or 2 showers around the downtown metro area today. It does dry up late tonight, even opens up a little bit, so that will mean maybe a clear sky at times, helping the temperatures drop down and then form some fog early on Tuesday. We saw the clouds early Tuesday, but they dissipate for the afternoon, bringing in some sunshine. Then we have a weak front moving in on Wednesday morning. Right now, weather models are producing some decent moisture over the top of us, although sometimes when we get that strong westerly flow, we see a rain shadow develop. So we'll keep an eye on that, but I would be prepared for some rain on Wednesday and then a couple lingering showers probably in the forecast on Thursday. Friday appears to be pretty dry, but late Friday night, now weather models are bringing in a weak disturbance. We'll keep it dry for now, but we'll keep an eye on that trend as we go into the weekend. I think for now, we're probably going to be dry. There's that area of low pressure down to the south. It kind of travels to the east. We bring in a ridge for our Tuesday, which means drier weather. A little disturbance on Wednesday, and Thursday keeps us pretty cool before we start to see a ridge develop on Friday, which should bring in some warmer temperatures, as I mentioned. So we have 50s and 60s over the next day or so, but it's up and down with temperatures for the Midwest. Look at this. They bring in some cold air, 60s, 30s, all over the place with that spring roller coaster going on. Our roller coaster is kind of up and down just a little bit. Not a lot really happening. We do have that rain, temperatures in the 60s on Tuesday, Wednesday at 56, Thursday at 57, Friday at 59. That's about it. So this looks like a spring week, but we're not going up and down. No big drops in temperatures, anything like that. We're just going to be kind of hovering right around our average.
This is like, well, I guess fall is my favorite time of the year. But this is my second favorite time.
Second favorite time?
It's pretty, all the flowers, you know.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. Fall, we start seeing the temperatures go down. Spring, they start going up, so
Yeah.
I'm a little more about
You're a little bit more about the spring.
optimism.
Okay. All right. We'll be right back with more news and a final check on your forecast.